Assalamu alaikum viewers. I'm Muhammad Asad Khan and this is my Excel lesson number 9.1. So I would like to give you a very brief session on setting the environment for pivot table. The pivot table are one of the most beautiful and powerful tool of Microsoft Excel. But before initiating this tool, we need to create an environment. We need to remove the anomalies from the Excel worksheet. So I'm going to do that right now. I have created a worksheet for you as a sample. You can see that in second row, there are years, items, quantity, unit, purchased from, expenditure in rupees. In the first row one, I have mentioned the household items procured, and moving further in column A, in row 3, I have mentioned year 2021. The way normally we do the work, like we try to present our Excel work in a report format. So we merge the rows, we basically mention the years here, uh, and here you can see that year 2021 is also appearing before meat, beef, chicken items in front of items and butter. Uh, the quantities are here against the items, and the units are here in column D. You can see that meat, from starting from meat to chicken, the units are in kgs, beverages are in number like sodas, colas, etc. Pampers for children are in number, and milk in liters, and again butter is in kg. The most important thing is that we need to eliminate any merged cells from this worksheet. So first I would like to delete the row number 1. So I would delete it because, as I told you, that the pivot table is the most powerful tool of Excel, one of the most powerful tools of the Excel. And the pivot tables are basically a very advanced form of filters. So you need to eliminate the merged cells, any merged cell from the worksheet, so that the pivot table can pick the values very correctly without any confusion. I will again, in this row 2, I will delete it, year 2021, because the column already exists here in year 2021, so there is no need to show it here. So I will delete the entire row. Similarly, I will delete the year 2022 in row 9. I will delete row 16, year 2023. Okay, now the first two things I have done, and now what I want to do is I need to again unmerge this this the first column, year 2021-22. So I've clicked 2021, merge in center, and I will click unmerge cells. Okay. Similarly, I will repeat this action here by pressing Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y basically make your action, yes, through Ctrl Y you redo the action which you have done previously. So again I will copy 2021 and paste it till row 8. I will copy 2022 here and I will paste it till row 15. I will copy 2023 and paste it till row 20, 22, 22. So now this is the right and true format which you need for the pivot tables. Again, I would like to inform you that in the previous versions of Microsoft Office in Office 2007 and further versions, but before 2019, when you try to apply pivot tables, I will do it pivot tables in my next session. But in this, I would like to tell you that in the previous versions of Microsoft Excel, they give you an error message. If you have merged cells, they give you an error message that you cannot proceed with it because it carries the sheet carries the merged cells. But in especially in Office 2019, this message won't appear and the blank cells will appear in your pivot tables. So you need to do it. It will not pick the values automatically. If they are merged, they will not, the pivot table will not pick the values automatically. So you need to create an environment and you need to clean your sheets. So this is sort of cleaning the data. So you need to first clean it like this. No merged cells should be there in your worksheet. It should be clear, like you can see there are no merged cells here. You can confirm it by seeing your columns. All the columns are appearing A, B, C, D, E, and F. All the rows are appearing here. All the cells are separate, not merged. So this is the best. Right now, I have the best sheet in my hand to work on for pivot tables. So, fellows, this is my session completion. I will explain the pivot tables in my next session, 9.2. So, if you find it valuable, then kindly like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you very much for watching.